Exercise 3.13, the first sumless second subdivision is a 5-mark question. You have to find the square root by division method. Easy da, but slower pannunga, you will get the answer. Okay, it's not anything very complicated and all that. Okay, so let's get started. So penna pananum, first term eduthukkanum. 4x squared, x power 4 irukku. So idoda square root enava irukum? 2x squared, right? So we write 2x squared here, 2x squared here. You multiply this, you get 4x power 4, right? And this is 8x cube plus 8x squared. Okay, now you multiply the whatever you have in the quotient here by 2, so it becomes 4x squared. Ipo in the first term inga irukku illaya, you divide that by 4x squared. So 8x cube by 4x squared is going to be, in the x cube x squared cancel out, you get x on top, and this is 2, right? So you get plus 2x, and here also you add that 2x basically, right? Now let's multiply whatever we've got here with this expression. So it becomes 4 2s are 8x cube plus 2x into 2x is 4x squared. Ipo idu subtract panna, this becomes 0, this becomes plus 4x squared, and I'm bringing down the next element, which is 4x, right? Next term, which is 4x. Now let's multiply whatever we have in the quotient now by 2. So it becomes 4x squared plus 4x. Now let's divide this 4x squared and this 4x squared. So 4x squared by 4x squared is going to be 1, right? So I'll put 1 here and also 1 on top. Now what should we do? Yeah, and here I forgot to mention one thing. You also bring the constant down along with this. So now multiply this 4x squared plus 4x plus 1, which you have here, with this quotient element here. So now when you multiply, you get plus 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. And this, when you subtract, you will get the remainder as 0. So the square root of this is going to be 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Of course, put it within the mod symbol because it is always plus or minus. Okay, is that clear? Slower pannunga. So you first take the first element here and find the square root of that. It is 2x squared. Then you multiply this with the quotient whatever you got. So 2x squared and 2x squared is going to be 4x4, obviously, right? So then you bring down the next two elements, 8x cube and 8x squared, right? When you bring this 2 down, now you divide the first element here with 4x squared. 8x cube by 4x squared, we got it as 2x. So you add that 2x over here and also on the quotient, right? 4x squared plus 2x. Now you multiply this with whatever you got, 2x over here. So you get this. Likewise, you bring down the next two elements, right? Only the first time you will divide the first element. After that, you will bring down the next two elements are kondu varanum kizha. Okay, let's see if we can do one more sum in this so that you can understand. I'll probably do the next sum also. Okay.